Okay, another way to write square roots is to use an exponent of 1/2. So anytime you see x to the 1/2 power or anything to the 1/2 power, they're just saying they're asking you for the square root of x. So if I ask you for, say, 4 to the 1/2 power, all I'm asking you for is the square root of 4. What if I have something other than a 1 up here, though? What this means is the same as to the third, or to that power. So let's say that I had 3 to the 3/2 power. What this means is I want to take 3 to the third power, that's what the top number is, and then the bottom of the fraction just tells you to take the square root. So now I can break this up. Square root of 3 times 3 times 3. Well, what's 3 times 3? That's just 9, but it's inside a square root, right? So 9 times 3. So the square root of 9 times the square root of 3 is just 3 square roots of 3. So all those rational exponents are telling you to do a power for the top number and a radical for the bottom. So let's say it was 2 to the 5/2 power. Okay, so 2 to the 5/2 would mean the square root of what? Of 2 to the what? To the 5th power. What is the square root of 2 to the 5th? It's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 5 2s. Here's a pair of 2s, they'll come out as 2. A pair of 2s, they'll come out as 2. And square root of 2 is left inside. So you have 4 square roots of 2. And that's the same as 2 to the 5/2 power. It doesn't matter what the number is. To the 5/2 power means to raise it to the 5th power and then take the square root. If it was 3/2, like we did in the first one, you'd raise it to the 3rd power, then take the square root.